Okay guys, I got a 2003 Ram 2500. I pulled the front seats, well I pulled both out. I pulled the front seat out and I put different seats in. I don't know what year the seats were that I put in there, but the plugs didn't match up. This was the plug that was on the seats, and this was the plug that was coming out of the floorboard to connect to it. So I had to figure out what wires went where. I just clipped them both off. And as you can see, I just hardwired them up and crimped them. But I will show you what wires, I don't know if it's right or not, but it's what worked for me. So coming out of the floorboard, this clip, you know, pin number 1 is black. That was my common. Pin number 2 is this pink with a blue stripe. That was power. And those were for my seat. So I ran those to same colors here. Black on this one, pin number 11, and the pink and blue is pin number 5. That ran my all my seat switches, my powered seat on the driver's side, forward, back, up, down. And there's no powered seat on the passenger side. It's just on the driver on this unit. So that ran my powered seats. Next was coming out of the floorboard, pin number 3, that green with a red stripe. And also pin number 5 is the black with the orange stripe. That's your driver's side seatbelt switch. So when you put the seatbelt in the clip, it closes the contact, makes continuity. That corresponded over here to the pin number 4. It's hard to see in this light, but it's purple with a green stripe. Sorry guys. Yeah, over here. Purple with the green stripe. And also pin number 12, which is yellow with a green stripe. That is the seatbelt switch. And then lastly, I have this pin number 4, which is yellow with a red stripe. It went over here to the, sorry, what pin number was that? Pin number 4, I think I said that. It went over here to pin number 8, which was pink with the yellow. And that one was for the, that thing right there, your power outlet, little 12-volt adapter switch. And that worked for me. Hope it helps you.